All right, we're on. Good morning, everybody.
Hey guys.
We're sorry that we can't be with you guys at school, but we thought this was the next best thing to be able to get some FaceTime with you guys while you're at home. We have the instructions for today. We'll be posting one of these videos every day so that you guys know kind of what's going on. We have broken up the assignments into what we would have been doing during the day at school so that you're not being overwhelmed, but we also don't want you to work too far ahead. So we want you to kind of be on pace with us.
So for today, make sure that, surprise, it's an SSR day, read for 20 minutes. And make sure you do a practice question and who's reading. Also make sure that you watch the Shakespeare video. Let me shut the door so my son's screaming doesn't interrupt your instruction. Watch the Shakespeare video and take notes on the Cornell note sheet. You guys should be plenty familiar with that as well. You have an assignment in Unit Classroom where you can post your summary in a Google Doc, so make sure that you do that also.
Many of you guys were really worried about your medieval Europe quiz. I completely understand. And so in order to kind of make up for that, since we're not going to be taking quizzes while we're out, because obviously you would have your notes in front of you, they would be open note. What we're going to do instead is an alternative assignment for the medieval Europe quiz. I'm going to post a primary source activity called Were the Dark Ages Truly Dark, and have you write a ACEs plus C paragraph about those dark ages, and then that will become the credit for that quiz, and I'll replace those as I receive them. So I will post a video, number one, of me analyzing those sources so that you can kind of see, have kind of more direct instruction on those particular sources. And then the expectation will be that you would write that ACEs plus C paragraph in a Google Doc and then upload it into the assignment in Unified Classroom. So if you're having trouble with any Unified Classroom things, you can't access any of the discussion boards or any of the assignments that Mr. Martin and I post, please let us know as soon as possible so that we can try to help you fix that. We can't really help you unless you let us know kind of what that would look like for you, and unless we know that you're struggling with that. So just let us know as soon as possible. We hope that you guys are staying safe, and that everything's going well at home. Don't forget to wash your hands. Remember, we're not home from school to hang out with your buddies, to go and, venture out into the public, to go to the arcade. You're at home so that you can stay isolated from people to ensure that you're staying safe and your family's staying safe. So please just stay safe at home. All right? Thank you guys so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye.